Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable Rust chat. So what you'll need to do is basically click on escape, go to the options and go to the user interface and scroll down until you see a chat, and basically here it will say show chat, so we can turn it off, and that's pretty much it guys. That's how you turn off the chat. As you can see, now you can't type it in the chat, and just that's how you turn it off. There's another way. If you just want to see a chat from the teammates but want to mute a global chat, just click on the mute global chat, and then you will be able to type to the team chat. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.